Welcome to Chad Hates Carbs. Today we're going to do a crazy experiment. Don't really know exactly how to say it other than we're going to eat some spaghetti with some seriously expired Shirataki noodles. I found this box in my fridge in the garage, and the expiration date on these is December 3rd of 2016. So a year and some expired, and I'm going to top it with some cheese that expired February the 3rd of 2017. So it's not quite a year old, or over old. So I have like a whole bunch of these. I have the angel hair, I have the spaghetti, I have macaroni style, and I have spinach. And I've tried these and I haven't been real excited with them, but I've got extra spaghetti, so what the hell. Let's see if extra curing makes them better. So the instructions are pretty simple, but the smell, texture, whatever, I've never been a huge fan. But here are the steps. You drain these, then you rinse them, and it says rinse thoroughly to remove natural earthy scent. Then you drain them again, so you're rinsing and then draining. Then you heat and microwave for 1 minute or parboil for 2 to 3 minutes. So we're definitely going to do the microwave method, and then we're going to dump some of this on there and cook it some more. So we'll see how that all works. So let's get started. We're going to drain, and again, it says earthy smell, and the earthy smell from the last time I remember, which has been a while, is kind of scary. So we'll see how scary it is. Whew! Yeah, it's not earthy, it's like fishy, and I am not a huge fan of fish. So we will dump those in there, and then we will rinse the heck out of them. Now the problem that I have is that this rinsing, if you actually spray it like that, like I was doing, it has a tendency to push it through the bottom of the strainer, and you can't really do that, so I got to do it a little bit differently. And these are really long noodles. They don't cut them into any sort of short length at all. I think they just extrude. Heck, there might be 2 noodles in this whole package or something. Now we're going to stick them in a microwave. I think I'm just going to go ahead and stick them in a... Just put them in a bowl. Okay. They don't smell as much as I expected. So we will slap them in there, and it says, if I remember right, 1 minute. So we'll do 60 seconds. Medium microwave for 1 minute. It says to make it with noodles, you want to cut 4 to 5 inch length. Which I guess would probably make some sense. I'll probably just cut it in half. I gotta say, the fact that the smell is much less than I expected is a good sign. Texture, still kind of got that gluiness to it, but I guess we'll find out soon enough how that plays. I guess I could be shredding some cheese. Okay, there's more water in here, so I'm going to go ahead and drain that off again. Make sure that all of the possible smell is gone. I'm going to go ahead and rinse it again, because that brought out more smell. Probably not supposed to do that, but it's alright. Alright. So there we go. go ahead and cut these up a little bit. Just gonna use a steak knife. Cut them into fourths. That should get me at least a little bit less crazy in there. That bunch is still a little long. Cut that up. They definitely are noodly. Their consistency is more interesting as far as, you know, they stick together well. Okay, so it says to pour marinara sauce over the stuff. So we'll do that. This is my nice meaty spaghetti, which I believe I have a recipe for on the channel. Alright, let's put this in for, I'm going to go ahead and do it for 2 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to shred some noodles. Can't miss the noodles. Alright, get back in here. Go ahead and nuke them. Actually, I probably ought to just go ahead and let the cheese cook with that stuff, so we have kind of a cheese bake. Oops, wrong one. These are don't grind your fingers off gloves that my wife got for Christmas because I kept shredding my thumbs. Now I don't have to think about it. I can just grind off the gloves. These microplane graters are fantastic, but they're dangerous. So. Alright. There's one. Now I will say this, when you open these, you should check and see if the plastic has started to burst or get bloated. That's a good sign that the cheese is turned to a level that you probably don't want to eat it. I throw those away. Yes, I'm really cheap and I like to eat expired food because it proves something. I don't know what it proves. Maybe that I'm crazy, but I do draw the line somewhere. Okay, that's a lot of cheese. So we will call that good. Slap it on the top of here. And let it melt on the top. That is a lot of cheese. There we go. Now we got our cheese melt thing going on. Slap this back in. Let's see, it's about 90 seconds. It says 1.5 minutes or until it's heated. So sprinkle 2 teaspoons of grated Parmesan cheese. This is shredded, finely shredded with a fine utensil. There we have it. Our slightly melty angel hair spaghetti concoction using shirataki mushrooms. No, sorry, what am I talking about? These are shirataki noodles. Shiitake mushrooms. I knew I was saying something wrong. So, I'm nervous. The cheese doesn't scare me. The noodle I just remember not liking very much last time. So I'm hoping that the cooking of the spaghetti sauce with them will kind of mask any of the rest of it, because this is a really, really flavorful spaghetti. I even added extra spice to this batch. Extra chili peppers, or chili powder and whatnot. All right, here goes nothing. That is surprisingly decent. The texture is not, it's not like regular spaghetti. But I gotta say, last night I had zucchini noodles, which is normally what I eat whenever we make spaghetti. And these compare favorably. They're less crunchy. That's the thing about zucchini noodles, is they're pretty firm unless you cook them, and then they're really soppy, so it's hard to get the texture exactly right, which is probably why spaghetti is so popular, because you can do a lot of things with wheat that you can't do with other stuff. But anyway, these are seriously not bad. And again, I want to remind you, in December 3rd of 2016, these have been expired for a year and some, and they're still fine. Now, I have had them in the refrigerator the whole time, but I shouldn't say that, because they were sitting, so they haven't even been refrigerated that whole time, and they're still decent. So yeah, and they're crazy. They're made from glucosamine, and there's 20 calories in this whole package, so they're very, very low in calories, and carbohydrate wise, they're 100% fiber. So I don't know what to tell you. There are 3 grams of carbs and 3 grams of fiber per serving, so that's 6 grams of fiber in this. So there's less carbs in this than in like a couple of spoonfuls of peanut butter. So it's amazing what they can do with it. And like I said, I was expecting there to be a fishy flavor to these, but when I cooked them like this, with this really flavorful spaghetti sauce in it, you really can't tell. So I'm gonna have to start making these noodles now with my spaghetti. So anyway, I wanted to have a, oh my god, I can't believe I ate that, but no, I can't say that. I did way better than I expected. So until next time, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Have a great day.